Very important thing is the Indian State of Forest Report 2019. This is very, very important. I am stressing this very much, and never before this kind of analysis have been taken, have been conducted by others for national this Indian State of Forest Report 2019. First of all, what is this? What is this Indian State of Forest Report? Forest Survey of India. Forest Survey of India. It is an organization. It is an autonomous scientific organization under Ministry of Environment and Forest under the Government of India. Under the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Under Ministry of Environment and Forest. It is scientific autonomous agency that studies the forests of India. Forests of India. This Forest Survey of India has been located in Dehradun. That was located in Dehradun. This Forest Survey of India, Dehradun based organization, publishes a biennial report. Biennial report. That means report that is published once in 2 years. Once in 2 years. రెండు సంవత్సరాలకు ఒకసారి. This biennial report published by FSI, Forest Survey of India, is known as Indian State of Forest Report. This Indian State of Forest Report 2019 has been published and made public on December 30th, 2019. 2019. And we have to compare this 2019 report with the 2017 report, because often in civil services prelims also, and even in group 1 prelims also, Andhra Pradesh group 1 prelims also, the reports comparison will be very commonly asked. That's why we will compare our data with special reference to Andhra Pradesh with that of 2017 Indian State of Forest Report. Okay, now let us move on. Even the during last October, November offline classes, when I have been teaching in 21st century and this Shine India Institute and all, I said that Andhra Pradesh stands at ninth position. Andhra Pradesh stands at ninth position with respect to the forest, But now its position was changed. Andhra Pradesh today stands at eighth position. In terms of area, Andhra Pradesh is eighth largest state. In terms of forest, Andhra Pradesh is 8th largest state. In terms of population, Andhra Pradesh is 10th largest state. That you have to remember. Andhra Pradesh is 8th largest state in terms of the forest area, RFA, recorded forest area. With how much area? In absolute number, the amount of area out of the 1,62,973 square kilometers of forest area of Andhra Pradesh, 37,258 square kilometers. That is about 22.94%. 22.94% in absolute terms, 37,258 square kilometers of the geographical area of Andhra Pradesh has been occupied by forest. Very important statement. Eighth largest state in absolute terms, 37,258 square kilometers. In percentage wise, 22.94% of geographical area of Andhra Pradesh. And in case of the top 5 states that recorded the increase in forest cover, the states that receive that increase that have shown increase in forest cover when compared to 2017 report, when compared to Indian State of Forest Report to 2017, the 5 states that shown increase in forest cover, first is Karnataka. Karnataka shown an increase of forest cover by 1025 square kilometer. That was very closely followed by second, that is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, this kind of questions could also be probably asked. Which is the state that showed largest increase of forest cover according to Indian State of Forest Report? Indian State of Forest Report. A. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. 4. Sir, D. Himachal Pradesh. These kind of questions could be asked. First state is Karnataka. Do remember, first state is not Andhra Pradesh. First state is Karnataka, but it was closely followed in the second position, Andhra Pradesh. This is important. How much forest has been increased in Andhra Pradesh? 990 square kilometers. 990 square kilometers of forest area in Andhra Pradesh has been increased than 2017 Indian State of Forest Report. That is very important. Then the other third state is Kerala. followed by Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, which is not important for Andhra Pradesh geography, but important for Indian geography. Let us move district-wise information. As I said, there is a different classification. There are many classifications we are having for classifying the forest of a region. Many types of forest classification. Classification of forests could be done based on rainfall. Classification could be done based on altitude. Classification could be done based on administration, government forests or private forest administration. Classification can be done based on the canopy, canopy, canopy or density, canopy or forest density. What is canopy? See, whenever the forest is grown, all the forest tree, all the branches of the forest will be covered, and very much thick forest, very much thick crowns of the trees will be very much densely covered, and no even sunlight could reach. కారడవులు, కాకులు దూరని కారడవులు అంటారు చూడండి, ఈవెన్ సూర్యరశ్మి కూడా సన్లైట్ కూడా రీచ్ అవ్వదు. అంత 100% కవరేజ్ ఉంటే దాన్ని 100% క్యానోపీ అంటారు. Canopy means the crowns formed by the trees, the upper crowns formed by the trees, that is known as canopy. If the canopy is 100%, that is having 100% density. And based on canopy also we classify our forest. In case of Indian geography, we discuss forests based on different classification, but Forest Survey of India is having its own way of classification. What type of classification the Forest Survey have been taking? Forest Survey classification is based on canopy, canopy based classification. Canopy based classification is that is Forest Survey of India based. Forest of India will classify the forest based on canopy. If the density is greater than 70%, if canopy or crown density is greater than 70%, then it is known as very dense forest. If the canopy is 40 to 70%, moderately dense forest. If the canopy is 10 to 40%, then it is known as open forest. If the canopy is less than 10%, it is known as scrub. This is a Forest Survey of India based classification. This is the legend taken from Forest Survey of India. If you go to this Forest Survey of India website, there you will find Indian State of Forest Survey report 2019. In this report, you will find two volumes. Volume 1, this contains the methods used for classification, executive summary. In volume 2 of Forest Survey of Indian State of Forest report, you will find data with respect to individual states. Here from this second volume, I have taken Andhra Pradesh data. This map is also taken from that second volume. Here see very dense forest, moderately dense forest, open forest and scrub forest. Don't worry about these things. These are all not required. Okay. So very dense forest, where we could see very dense forest. Here this region, Sheshachalam, and along the borders Nalamala forest. This is Nalamala forest along the borders of Kurnool and Prakasham, and in Vishaka East Godavari. This region is known as agency region. This green colored one along the Sheshachalam mountains, Nalamala hills of Karnulu and Prakasham border, and East Godavari and Vishakhapatnam border. This is known as very dense forest. Very dense forest. Then the moderately dense forest you could see all along the slopes of Nalamala forest and in many other places, even Chitturu, Nelluru, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Krishna, even this West Godavari, not Krishna. Krishna is having very less amount of forest. With the data we are going to see in upcoming slides. But here my idea is you to understand forest classification based on canopy and a brief observation of different types of forest density in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Let us move on to the data. These are the screenshots taken from the Forest Survey of India Volume 2. Here you could see amount the forest density out of the 22.9 4%, no, 94%, 22.94% or 22.96%. 22.94%. 22.94% of Andhra Pradesh and the Andhra Pradesh geographical area has been occupied by forests. Out of these different types of out of these different types of density, 22.94% of geographical area. Out of these, 1.22% of forests are very dense forests, and 8.56% are moderately dense forests. 8.10% are open forests, and scrub forest with a density less than 10% of canopy is 5.0% scrub. So the question could be framed: which of the following types of forests are very much common or spread over larger geographical area of Andhra Pradesh? A. Very dense forest. B. Moderately dense forest. C. Scrub forest. D. Open forest. So answer is moderately dense forest. Out of 22.94% of geographical area, 8.96% of forests have been occupied by which category, which type of which type of forest? Moderately dense forest. You could see here. Moderately dense forest, 8.96%, whereas open forest is 8.10%, scrub forest is 5.07%, and the non-forest area is 77.05%, and very dense forest is slow, very less. Very dense forest is just 1.22%, moderately dense 8.56, open forest 8.10, scrub forest 5.07, and the non-forest area is 77.05%. Okay, this is the brief data, the figure data, the factual data of Andhra Pradesh forest regions. Very dense, as I already mentioned here. In case of absolute terms, very dense forest is 1994.22 square kilometers, that is 1.22% of geographical area. 1.22% of geographical area, that is in absolute terms. Absolute terms, 1994.22, that is 1.22% of geographical area, and moderately dense forest 13,938.36 square kilometers, which is 8.56% of geographical area. Open forest 13,204.82 square kilometers, which is 8.10% of geographical area, and scrub forest is 8,254.84 square kilometers, that is 5.07% of geographical area. Totally it will be 22.94%. If you calculate this, you will get 22.95%. But if some negligible figures is also taken, then it will be 22.94%. But don't worry, according to Indian State of Forest report, Andhra Pradesh forest coverage is 22.94%. And even this was mentioned in economic survey. Okay, this is the data. Now this is very important, the slide which I have already taken and highlighted for your better understanding. Before this inclusion of slide in our in the class discussion, in the class PowerPoint of this 6th unit, I have taken this slide and maintained that highlighted some important points here, so that I could very easily depict and you could very easily and better understand the factual information. Otherwise the factual portion will be very often get confused, isn't it? Now let us see. In case of geographical area, in case of Indian State of Forest report, based on Indian State of Forest report, the district which is having the largest amount of very dense forest category, the district which is having the largest amount of very dense forest category, very dense. I will take another color so that you could very easily understand. So district which is having the top rank in case of very dense forest, top rank in case of very dense forest is East Godavari. East Godavari that stands at first position with 1 lakh 1103.72 square kilometers. District that stands at first position in case of moderately dense forest. District that stands at first position in case of moderately dense forest is Kadapa district, YSR Kadapa district, which is having 2707.22 square kilometers. That is in moderately dense category, Kadapa. In very dense category, East Godavari. In case of open forest, first rank is by Chittor. First state or first position, the district that stays at first position in case of open forest is Chittor. Open forest, Chittor. How much? 1954 square kilometers, roughly 1954. To say precisely, 1954.76 square kilometers. Then coming to scrub is not important. Don't worry about the scrub forest. Don't worry. Then coming to the total one, coming to the total, the district that is having the largest forest area, district that is having the largest forest area, East Godavari. If the question was asked, which is the district that is having the largest forest area, that is East Godavari. This is in absolute terms. 4,994 square kilometers, that is about 5,000 square kilometers of forest area has been occupied. Forest area has been occupied by this East Godavari. Then the in terms of forest density also, East Godavari is the district that is in the first position. Forest density in the sense forest area to the total geographical area. Out of the total geographical area of 12,805 geographical area, 39% of geographical area of East Godavari has been occupied by forest. So in terms of absolute numbers also and in terms of forest density also, East Godavari is at first place. And compared to the this point, I will mention it later. East Godavari the first district in terms of absolute forest coverage, and East Godavari is also the first district in terms of the forest density. The second district in terms of forest area, second district is Kadapa district. Kadapa, which is having the in terms of absolute number, Kadapa is the district that is having the 4,367 square kilometers. 4,067 square 367 square kilometers in terms of absolute area. Kadapa is the second largest district in terms of absolute forest coverage. Absolute forest coverage. Whereas in terms of forest density, Kadapa is also the Kadapa is this is the second district is something different. Here you need to understand Kadapa is the second district that is having the second largest forest coverage. These are the two largest districts in terms of forest coverage. Then coming to the districts which least area of forest coverage is Krishna district. Krishna district is the least district in terms of forest coverage. How much? Just 650.18 square kilometers. Which is the district that is having the lowest forest coverage? అడవులు అతి తక్కువగా ఉన్న జిల్లా ఏంటి? కృష్ణా జిల్లా. ఎంత? 650 650.18 square kilometers. And in terms of percentage, the district that is having the lowest percentage to its geographical area is Anantapur. Anantapur is the largest district, isn't it? Anantapur is the largest district with the geographical area of 19,130 square kilometers. Whereas coming to its forest area, it is the district that is having the least percentage forest. That is 5.16%. 5.16%. And Kadapa is also in Forest Survey of India significant category, that is compared to 2017 report. The district that recorded highest amount of forest growth, about 268%. That is more than 200, nearly 300%. That is 268% of forest coverage in East Godavari has been increased when compared to 2017 forest report. In case of Kadapa, Kadapa is the district that showed the highest increase in case of forest coverage with respect to highest percentage of forest coverage, highest increase of forest coverage is East Godavari, low and highest decrease of forest coverage with comparison to 2017 report is YSR Kadapa, minus 16%, minus 16%, minus 16%. Okay, this is the summary. This is summary and analysis of 2019 forest Indian state of forest report with special reference to Andhra Pradesh. Okay, this is very important. Okay, do remember the data which I am providing you very much authentic, and I have taken immense pressure. Even I am, though I am having so much of a very tight schedule, working with many other institutions on online education platforms such as Entry and other online platform. Of course, I am not teaching. I am not interested to teach an academy. So that is a different reason. So though I am having very much tight schedule, I am taking very much pressure to put together various facts and concepts before you for your every hour upgradation. Every hour you have to upgrade yourself. Your content has to be improved at the cost of anything. Okay, so utilize this opportunity and do advise your friends also, as we are providing geography classes at nominal cost. So money is not my motto, service is my motto. I have to guide the students in very right direction. That's why in this objective, I have been teaching you geography in English medium through this channel of Kakarla Academy. Utilize this opportunity, advise your friends also. Okay, get you back in next class. Thank you.